So Keegan and I are going to get something that we are getting for the kids. None of them know about it, so they're going to be really surprised. I would tell you what it is right now, but Keegan is with, and I want him to be surprised too. Hopefully he can use it as well. He's a little bit bigger than the other kids, so if he cannot use it, then maybe we can kind of get something bigger that he can use. But I'm on my way there, and then we'll see the kids' reactions when I get back home, and then we'll see them using this thing, and you can see how much fun they're having. Keegan, what do you think we are going to get?
Something with a motor.
Something with a motor? But okay, so that could be like anything. That's a lot of different things that it could be.
I don't know. You said something about them using it, and if it was too small, you guys would look for a bigger one. So I don't know.
Well, what do you think? Give me a guess.
Like a pit bike. I don't know.
Is that your final guess?
Sure.
So you think it's a pit bike?
Or like a dirt bike.
Well, a pit bike or a dirt bike?
A dirt bike.
Or are they just the same thing?
A motorized bicycle.
Okay.
Like the one my football coach had.
A motorized bicycle?
Yeah, he had a...
Yeah, I know what he had, but that's what you think we're getting? A motorized, like, pedal bicycle.
That'd be cool.
Alright, I guess we'll have to see what it is when we get there.
Yeah.
We're on our way to get the thing for the kids, and this guy is in the road.
It's a colorful pheasant.
He's not moving either. I'm getting closer.
There he goes. Cool.
This is Keegan. I told him to close his eyes because I don't know if the thing is out yet or not. So that's what he's doing because we are pulling across now to go get it. And I don't want the surprise to be spoiled. Okay, Keegan, you can get out. You can look. It's in the back of the truck.
Where's that?
It's a little mini bike.
Cool. Now then we can...
Do you think Ramsey will like it?
Yeah, Ramsey will like it.
You'll have to show him how to ride it.
Yeah.
So after seeing what we got, do you think the kids will like it?
I do.
Do you think Ramsey will be able to ride it by himself?
Not... He'll have to get a little taller, I think.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, I don't think he'll be able to... It's a little hard to steer.
This is Ramsey we're talking about. Who do you think is going to ride it first?
Probably Ricky. Or Dad.
I think Dad will ride it first. Dad will have more fun than the kids. Do you think I'd be able to drive it?
Yeah, definitely.
It's easy?
Yeah,
Do you think the kids need helmets? Did you go as fast as it goes?
I did.
Oh, so it doesn't go super fast for
Well,
them.
I didn't really give it any time to run, so I don't know if it is actually going to go that fast or if it will go faster.
Because you know Ramsey is Speed McQueen, so he'll want to try to go as fast as possible.
Yeah.
Right. All right, guys, so you saw what it is. I'm so excited to go home. Anything with a motor, Ramsey is obsessed with. So I don't think the girls are going to have much chance driving this thing because I don't think he will let them. But I do definitely think Dad will be the first to try it when we get home, and Ramsey will be second. I think that this thing will get a ton of use. It was almost brand new, and the people that had it before, their grandson rode it maybe once or twice, and that was it. So it is literally like a brand new little mini bike. It just sat for a while, but he had everything checked out on it, and it is good, he said. So the kids are gonna wear it out probably to the point where we will probably just have to junk it, or Larry will have to fix it, because they will love it so much. And I'm so happy that summer is coming, because it will give them way more time to ride it. All right. Don't open it yet. Ramsey, what do you think it is? What do you think the surprise is?
A huge picture frame.
A huge picture frame? Ricky, what do you think the surprise is?
I don't know.
Guess something, anything. Throw it out there.
A vacuum. A pool.
Leela, what do you think it is? Jersey, what do you think it is?
A bunny.
A bunny.
Yeah!
Okay, stay there. So
Actually, go over by the red truck.
stay there.
Go over by the red truck.
What?
Go by the red truck.
So I can get it out.
Oh, you're gonna get it out?
Yeah.
Hold on. Well, I wanted them to come over and see it, and then we could get it out. All right. You guys can come see it.
Whoa!
Look out, Keegan.
Whoa, that's so...
Is that what you thought it was gonna be?
Yeah!
Did you think it was that, Ramsey?
Yes.
You told me a picture frame.
What is it?
What does it look like, Jersey?
Dirt bike.
Okay, let Keegan get it out.
I want to ride it. I want to ride it.
You guys can probably drive it too.
Yeah!
Look out, give him space.
What?
Yeah, it's ours.
I want to get after Ramsey.
I told you guys that Ramsey was gonna be the first one. I thought Dad was gonna hop on it.
Wait.
And this was a find yesterday that we got.
This way.
One man's trash is another man's treasure.
Push that in. Unpull it.
I don't know if we should teach him how to start it. Yeah, Keegan, you're gonna have to pull it. He's not strong enough. Maybe he should sit in between your legs. He might have to sit in between your legs. I don't think he can ride it by himself. What side should he get on? Does it matter, Larry? She doesn't know how to do it though. Dad's gonna have to show her. Let Dad take it for a ride so he can figure it out.
Mom, does it go fast?
I don't. You gotta listen. From Look at this, guys. We've had this thing home for 2 hours. The kids have literally rode it non-stop. Have you guys ran out of gas?
No.
Nope, but they did have one crash. Ramsey was riding it and he crashed into Jersey. He said he went too fast, but it didn't stop them. They got back on it and they have been riding and riding and riding and riding it.